The input tab is where everything begins. All of the user input fields are color coded yellow, so it's easy to see. You'll also notice there's an option for your own fuel assumptions. We've built in an automatic process to immediately pull that information directly through the EIA website. Once you do that, going forward, anytime you want to update your fuel schedule once a month, click on the Fetch Fuel EIA, and that will automatically pull in the latest fuel information. The use case for this tool works off of monthly inputs, so you're not having to input every receipt in here. Once you fill in your monthly information, you click Save to History, and that will automatically write your information to history. If you need to make any changes, just resave, click the same button, save this month to history, and it will overwrite what you've already done. There's also an option to open the history form if you want to build in a starting point that includes maybe a year or 2 years worth of your own history that you already have. That is super easy to do. Simply click the open history form. You can input any of the yellow cells directly with historical information. There's also options here if you want to add in additional earlier dates. You can simply do that. Click the add earlier dates. It'll ask you how far back you want to go. It'll create those input fields. So you can easily incorporate multi-years of history very quickly and efficiently within the tool, again, on a monthly basis. Much more efficient for the average user. You don't need to be in this tool every day. I'm Donald Laverne. Thank you for watching. Keep on trucking and go make some money out there.